Right, I'm going to take a look at this today, which is the new Vangoa Concert Ukulele. So what do I know about this ukulele? Vangoa contacted me saying it was being released shortly. I can see it's already available on Amazon in the US. I'm assuming it'll be available in the UK very soon. The model number is the VU603, and from what I can see, it's going to be around about the £70 mark. It is a nice looking ukulele. It's got Acacia top, sides and back. I am assuming laminate. It doesn't say anything about it being solid, but they are a nice looking instrument there. It's got a really nice rosette out of abalone around the sound hole, just to give it that little bit of a bling. So what else? A slotted headstock, okay, with the Vangoa and I believe a bass clef logo at the top. So yeah, the overall look of the ukulele I really like. I'm not sure what the fingerboard is made out of. It doesn't say anything anyway. It's quite dark. I don't think it is rosewood. The neck looks like a two-piece neck, nice and tidy. Again, it doesn't actually say what the neck is, whether it's mahogany. It doesn't look maple or anything like that to me. It's got front markers as well as side markers. Always like to see that on a uke. The bridge and the saddle. The bridge is a nice dark wood. Again, it doesn't say what it is, but what I really like, it's a pin bridge. In other words, that is the way the strings are held in, making it nice and easy to change the strings. It's an oxbow saddle, uncompensated, and an oxbow nut as well. I don't know how wide the nut is, so I'm just going to have a quick measure that right now. We're looking at 35 mil, so fairly standard with the nut width. Just going back to the head for a minute, I do like a slotted headstock, and I do like black tuners in particular. These ones as well are 18:1 ratio. But it's that, there's something about that logo. All right, let me go like that for a minute. Can we see by there, the Vangoa and then a bass clef at the top, but it's quite nicely carved in or stamped in, I suppose. It's not a sticker on there. So yeah, again, I like the look with a slotted headstock as well. And also this one comes with 2 strap buttons already included. Before I look at the accessories, the other thing I haven't mentioned yet are the strings. It does say carbon strings. I'm not quite sure what that is meant to be. It gives quite a nice bright tone. It's not the loudest of ukes. Overall, quality control looks pretty good, I've got to say. Inside looks nice and clean. That bracing all looks pretty good. The actual back, nice and smooth. I can't see any marks or pots in there or anything like that. Same goes for the side and the top. Fret-wise, these are all lovely and smooth. I have noticed just over this side here, a couple of the very top ones, I'm not going to say sharp, but I can certainly feel them. I would probably very carefully just rub those down. But yeah, overall, quality control, pretty good. Oh, look at that. There's actually a past quality control sticker on there. So let's talk accessories for a minute, because it does come as a kit. So it does come with a case, nice accessories pocket on the front, Vangoa logo on that. It is padded, not the thickest of padding, but there is padding in it. You've got your side handle and you've got your shoulder straps. And a little accessory bag. I'm not sure who uses their accessories in a bag, but you never know. Right, so you get a tuner with it. You get a set of strings. Okay, spare set of strings on there. Professional ukulele strings made by Vangoa. Sorry, I'm laughing. Catch Life's Melody on the back there. That's obviously one of their slogans. So there's a little pack of plastic plectrums or picks. I've said it before. in school, I will not let pupils use plastic picks on my ukulele because they snap strings and make an awful noise, but it does come with plectrums. Enjoy your ukulele, or how to play ukulele, a little booklet. It is all sorts of languages in there. Not the largest amount of information, but how to tune your uke. A couple of little bits of info on the different parts of the ukulele as well. There's more. Vangoa strap, nice black strap to go with your ukulele. Good grief. A cloth, Vangoa, okay, a cleaning cloth. And I think this is the last item, a little professional ukulele capo or capo, depending how you say it. So it is nice to have a few accessories with it, the tuner being particularly useful, and of course the strap, and it's got the strap buttons already fitted. I don't personally use a capo or a capo, and very rarely do I use plectrums, and certainly not plastic ones, but they're in there in their little accessory case. So £70 gets you the ukulele, the case and the accessories. We better have a listen to it now. So I have had the ukulele a couple of weeks now. Tuning wise, it's settled pretty quickly, to be honest. I spent a couple of days tuning it up and now it's fairly good. Absolute first impressions. It's got a really sweet sound to it. It's bright, it's quite crisp, it's not the loudest of ukes. It sustains, it's not the longest sustain, but then again, this is a fairly cheap ukulele, all right? We're not talking solid koa woods or anything like that at all. But I am liking the sound on it. I want a little bit more volume, that's all. It's nice to play, I've got to say. I think this really is quite a nice beginner's ukulele. I'm not going to recommend this to somebody who's started off already playing and looking to move up. But in terms of starting with this, there's really not a lot you can go wrong with. Yeah, it's definitely got a sweet sound to it. the loudest sound, but a nice sweet sound, nice bright sound. It's a nice looking ukulele. Things that I really like about it, I do like an acacia wood. This one, top, sides and back. I love a slotted headstock, especially with black tuners, and it is quite a cute Vangoa logo on the top of that. And I really like the rosette going around just to add that little bit of bling, a nice looking ukulele. I like the pin bridge, makes it nice and simple to change strings, and I like the fact that it has got 2 strap buttons already on it. I'm not going to say that I don't like them, but things that I have noticed, it's quite a quiet instrument. And also, as I mentioned right at the start, frets nice and smooth down here. There's just that 1 or 2 quite, I'm not going to call them sharp, but I can feel them right the way up there. And that's something that I would just quickly sort out. So thank you, Vangoa, for sending me this. You know, it is a great starter, beginner ukulele. Yeah, about £70 on Amazon. I will drop a link in the description below for that as well. As always though, if you've got any comments or questions, please feel free, leave them below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.